This is how I use my garbage disposal. As you see, it's a half horsepower, nothing spectacular. And up here in the sink we have all kinds of fruit rinds that I just made fruit salad with. Turn the water on, put just a little bit of detergent on it, help it through. Turn on the garbage disposal, and then just help it in. Slowly. You have all kinds of things. Banana peel, two kinds of melon. We have pineapple, strawberries. We have grapevines, papaya, and just feed it in. Just give it a chance to chew it up as it goes in. Make sure the water's running good. Just little by little. Doesn't take that long. This is a pineapple core right down the center. Pineapple. You got some limes. That's it.